Hello lovelies and welcome back to the channel. My name is Katia and today we are going to be checking out EXO's White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love live stage. And I haven't gotten into their sensual performances yet, so I'm a little nervous. I mean, I think that's what this one is, has a more sexy concept going down. I honestly don't know. I feel like this is what you guys have been hinting to me in the comment section, so that's what I'm going with. I was already struggling with the guides when Love Shot and the Eve came up, so I have no idea how I'm gonna be acting for this whole, I think this video is over 10 minutes long. That is a lot of time for me to be sitting here watching them do whatever it is they're gonna be doing, but I'm so nervous but excited all at the same time. You know, I'm gonna be hearing some new songs that I haven't heard yet, so I'm excited, but I'm nervous. But I feel like I just need to calm down and just go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright, got the subtitles on. Let's go! Oh, I can see Lady here too! Oh my god, it's already too much. I need to turn it up. Hold on. I need to turn it up. I'm gonna go back. Just Woo! Expect me to be flipping out this whole time. Fine, I'm fine. I'm not fine. I hate it. I'm so sorry for that weird cut. I think ads might be popping up during this video, so if they are, I'll cut them out. So I'm so sorry if there's weird cuts in this video, but let's continue. I need it louder. Is it too loud? I don't know. You know, it's probably not gonna be that bad. I'm probably just being over dramatic. There's water! Don't you worry, baby. It's fine, I'm fine. Can I also say they're just sounding so good so far? Chanyeol was so cute. Ooh, the way Kai has been looking in the camera. Oh, I love his voice. I really like the vibe of this song. This one was White Noise, right? Sorry. Yeah, the camera like that. Why is Chanyeol smiling so much? Everyone else is like, you know, giving these eyes, and he's like, just smiling. I can't do this. I'm so dramatic. Okay, we're slowing it down. They're sitting. It's gonna be fine. It's not fine. They're so cute. I love Dio's voice. I'm fine, it's fine. I'm just gonna go back and appreciate that real quick. I probably went back a little too far, but it's fine. Woo! That switch! What is with this body rolling? Damn these ads. I'm gonna have to go back to look at the timestamps for these songs. Ooh, okay, it's Thunder. I stopped looking at the camera for so long. My God. Why are you looking into the camera like that? Stop it! Oh. Okay. This one was Playboy, right? I'm so nervous. Sorry. I cannot even imagine seeing this live. So it's so sorry. I'm so dramatic. Kai's smile is so cute. We have props. These ads are disrupting this performance. I'm okay. I'm okay. Why do we keep touching ourselves like this? Winking at me. Sirs, what are y'all doing? We've been flipping out in this crowd. Sir, looking in the camera like that. I'm like speechless. I really like this one. Not just because of the dancing. Why are we blindfolding ourselves? Why are we blindfolding ourselves? they gotta take them off like that? I just... I might have been a little dramatic watching this performance, but I think it was entirely valid. I think, me being excited, happy, and so on and so forth is, expected. I really like the songs that were performed for this performance. They were really good. I like the vibes of these songs. The production was really cool. I think my favorite thus far, though, out of the ones I heard, was probably Artificial Love. I think I really need to go back and rehear these songs again, maybe not in this necessarily this performance, but just like in general, hear the songs, to really get them and also really look back at the lyrics. I was reading them, but I think I was also getting super distracted just by their visuals the whole time. I was really trying to focus on both, but it was hard. And I was really excited that I could see Lay perform with them in this one. I know the last one I saw that was them all together was the acoustic medley, so this was really interesting and fun to see, like a whole like dance performance, with a sensual concept with them all together was a lot of fun. And Kai looking into the camera, like basically almost the whole video was just so much for me. Is basically staring into my soul. And then, Schumann was doing it too. Honestly, so many of them were having their moments when they looked into the camera. Lay winked at one point, and that was a lot. I'm so dramatic. I'm so sorry if I'm being over dramatic, but I can't help it. This is just how I am, okay? This is how I am when I see these kinds of performances. Honestly, I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm out of breath from watching this performance, but it was so good. The ads were annoying me though, popping up literally at the middle of the performances, but it's fine. It's fine. But that is it for today, lovelies. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Continue to leave your recommendations down in the comments section, and comment down below also what you think is their most like sensual / sexy concept dance that they have ever done that you think is like the hottest one. And if you want to see me do more EXO or other K-pop content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But other than that, lovelies, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!